Hey hookers, welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. This is Christy. Today I'm going to show you how to modify my rubber duck tutorial. As you can see, the head is still off, so that's one thing you don't want to put together right away, but you can do the body and the beak or bill, and then you just need a 2mm hook. I have the colors here I used for the duck itself, and then the black and white for the eyes. So if you have all that, let's get started. Alright, so we'll start with the base of the eye here. You're just going to do a chain of 5. And again, guys, if you haven't made the main tutorial yet, it is on my channel. I'm going to put, this will all be in the same playlist. This is the modification on how to make the alien eyes for it. So after you chain 5, grab the chain, do one more chain, and then in the second one from the hook, you want to do a slip stitch in the first, or sorry, not a slip stitch, a triple crochet in the first one. And then in the second one, you want to do a double crochet. I end up messing up a little bit here, and I think going in the same stitch, so just bear with me. I end up fixing it though. So I would like to thank everyone so far for watching my videos and coming along this journey with me. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't yet, please make sure you like the video. It keeps it in the algorithm. And also make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel with notifications on so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you're watching, I do put these on Facebook eventually, so if you're watching from there, just make sure you're following my page, and you'll see new posts all the time. Alright, that is fixed. So now on to the next stitch, which will be half double crochet. And then in the one after that, it's going to be a single crochet. And then in the last stitch, you're going to do a slip stitch. So now you want to go and repeat that on the other side, except you're going to start with the slip stitch. And then in the next stitch, a single crochet. And in the stitch after that, a half double crochet. And then double crochet in the next one. And then in the last one, you want to do triple crochet. While I'm fidgeting with that, I would also like to say, if you would like to follow me on any of my other social accounts, they are all linked at the top of my YouTube channel. You can check them out. They are also linked on my Facebook page under my profile picture. And please don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. I'm here, and I don't mind answering your questions. You can just ask on my videos themselves, or you can message me on any of my other accounts. I also take tutorial requests. I like to know what you guys want to make. And I also like to see pictures of the finished projects in my tutorials, so if you have those too, show me. I want to see them. So in that end stitch, it's basically the little spot right where the triple crochet meet. You want to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch right on the end here. I'm so excited to get Halloween tutorials out. I'll be doing another duck. I plan on doing a few for Halloween this year, so be ready. Alright, so now we're done, and I just went over in the top of the stitch and did a slip stitch. There we go. It's a cute little alien eye. Smallest alien eye I've made so far. So just cut that long enough to sew it to the face. Now I'm gonna grab my white. I just cut a long enough piece to sew it. There's a little speck on the alien eye, so alright, so after knotting the end a few times, you can start sewing it. It's at the fatter end of the eye. So right there. I'm just going to go in through the back, close to the edge. And then you just go right through like that. And you want to go through the same holes and do that again. I'm going to do that 3 times total. Awesome. So now you're just going to flip it over after you're done and go on the back stitch only. And just fasten off just like that. Go through twice. Make sure it's nice and secure, and then just snip. Awesome job. Now just make your second one, and I'll show you how to sew it to the face here. Just like that. Alright, so now we're ready to sew. I already got one eye on, just so it's ready. I'll show you how to sew this one on. Well, I'm going to show you how to start sewing it on. And then I'll leave you to it until the end, and then I'll show you how I fasten it off. So I already have that one on, which is perfect, but this is about where I have it here. You can place them however you'd like, obviously, but I wanted to place them just where the edge of the bill is. They are big enough so they stretch over. They're really nice size. Some of the ducks I was looking at to see were like their eyes were smaller and not very alien-like. So I'm just going to line that up. Again, guys, if you don't mind, please like the video. It keeps it in the algorithm so others can see it. So I do have it in place here. I'm just going to start sewing. And again, if you aren't subscribed with notifications on, please make sure that you are so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll definitely be posting more Halloween themed tutorials soon, plus other videos. And if you are following along on Facebook, usually the tutorials are delayed a bit, so I always post them on YouTube first. But if you are, just make sure you're following on my page so you see everything. And of course, if you don't mind, and if you have it, if you would like to do a one-time PayPal donation or sign up to my Facebook page, it's greatly appreciated. It's only 99 cents American and $1.29 Canadian a month. And the subscription thing is on my Facebook page. You just gotta go check it out. I have Patreon too, but it's more expensive, so I prefer if you guys want to do Facebook, it's even better for you. Alright, so you're just going to keep going. Make sure your eyes, once you do have the second one on, obviously two are lined up. But just keep sewing all the way around. Awesome. So cute. Little alien duck. I'm excited, really excited to make more of these little monster ducks. Well, Halloween themed. I know the alien's not really a monster, but still. So I just went underneath the eye, and I'm just going underneath the stitches. I'm gonna go through twice. There we go. Awesome. So now we're ready to sew on the head, which will be the same as the tutorial, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how to do it again anyway, since the head is off. So I'm just putting enough stuffing in there. Not going to overdo it, but I'm going to make sure there's enough in there. I already got the body stuffed and ready to go. These modded tutorials are a lot easier when you just have the one piece to do. I just had to quickly make the duck first, so it's nice on my end. So just hold that in place. I'm just making sure, I make sure the head is lined up. It's easy to do because the tail and the middle of the circle and everything and the bill will let you know if your head is the right way, or right, not the right way, but lined up to the front properly. You can always adjust it after you get those first couple stitches in. So I'm just going to show you, see, I'm just lining it up there. I'm just going to show you how to start the head. I am going to sew around twice, just so you know. I go around the first time and then a second time to make sure that head is on there. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I would love to see your finished projects from my tutorials, so you can send me pictures on any of my social links. And if you do have tutorial requests, please let me know. I love to make what you guys want. Those are some of my best watched tutorials. Alright, so just go around twice, guys. I'll be right back. And there we have it, a cute little alien duck. So I did forget to show how I fastened it off. I just took the needle and went into the body and then snipped. So nothing too special, guys. If you need to see, just go to the end of my duck tutorial. So there you go. Awesome job, guys. Yay!